The human brain is often described as the body's control center, and for good reason. It regulates everything from movement and breathing to memory, emotion, and decision-making. As the core of the central nervous system, the brain works in tandem with the spinal cord, relying on complex chemical and electrical signaling. This intricate system depends on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients delivered through blood vessels. But here's the good news: protecting this vital organ isn't just about genetics or medical care. According to health experts, your everyday lifestyle choices play a massive role. Research increasingly points to 6 key pillars that support brain health: exercise, stress reduction, sleep and relaxation, social connection, appropriate use of medications and supplements, and nutrition. Let's explore each one. First up, exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the most powerful tools for maintaining brain function. Aerobic exercise, like walking, cycling, or swimming, helps preserve existing brain cells and even promotes the growth of new ones. Strength training also contributes by improving concentration and decision-making. Together, these forms of exercise support mental health, sleep quality, and immune function. Next, stress management. Chronic stress can negatively affect the prefrontal cortex, which plays a key role in memory and learning, as well as the amygdala, which processes emotion. Experts recommend strategies like adequate rest, mindfulness practices, spending time outdoors, regular exercise, social interaction, and seeking professional support when needed. Managing stress isn't just about feeling better in the moment, it's about long-term brain protection. Sleep and relaxation are closely tied to emotional regulation and cognitive performance. Adults are generally advised to get between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night. But quality matters just as much as quantity. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, limiting screen time before bed, reducing afternoon caffeine intake, and creating a calming nighttime routine can all improve sleep quality. Complementary approaches like massage, acupuncture, and chiropractic care may also help soothe the nervous system and support deeper rest. Social connection is increasingly recognized as essential to brain health. Staying engaged with others can reduce stress, elevate mood, and improve emotional resilience. Positive social interactions stimulate the release of oxytocin, sometimes called the love hormone, which promotes feelings of calm and well-being. Simple activities, like walking with a friend, joining a group, or volunteering, can strengthen these connections and nourish your brain. Medications and supplements may also play a role when used appropriately. Health professionals stress that prescription medications should be taken as directed, and supplements should be used to address specific nutritional needs, not as a replacement for a healthy diet. Certain nutrients, including B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, choline, and magnesium, are commonly linked to brain function and may be recommended when deficiencies are present. And finally, nutrition. This pillar underpins all aspects of brain health, with growing attention on the MIND diet, short for Mediterranean-intervention for neurodegenerative delay. This eating pattern combines elements of the Mediterranean and diets and emphasizes plant-based foods, whole grains, fish, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods rich in omega-3s, vitamin D, spices, coffee, tea, and even modest amounts of red wine have all been associated with cognitive benefits. Taken together, these 6 pillars highlight how daily habits, from what people eat to how they manage stress and maintain relationships, can shape brain health across the lifespan. According to Enoch from BrightU.AI, nutrition plays a central role in supporting brain health, cognitive function, and long-term neurological resilience. Research increasingly shows that specific dietary patterns and nutrients can help protect brain cells, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of cognitive decline. So let's take a closer look at the key foods and nutrients that fuel your brain. The MIND diet is a science-backed eating pattern designed to support brain health and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. It emphasizes plant foods, healthy fats, and limited saturated fat intake. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats that support brain structure and communication between brain cells. You'll find them in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, herring, and tuna, as well as plant sources like walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds. The Mind diet recommends at least 1 serving of cold water fish per week. Plant-based foods are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals that help protect brain cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. Key foods include leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens, plus berries, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. In fact, the Mind diet suggests 6 servings of leafy greens and 2 servings of berries each week. Spices and dark chocolate contain antioxidants known as flavonoids, which can improve blood flow to the brain and reduce inflammation. Common examples include turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger, along with moderate amounts of dark chocolate. Coffee and tea also provide bioactive compounds that may enhance memory and reduce the risk of dementia. Black coffee, black tea, and green tea are preferred. The Mind diet allows up to 3 8-ounce cups of coffee per day, with decaffeinated options recommended for those sensitive to caffeine. Whole grains are a key source of fiber and B vitamins, essential for energy production, DNA repair, and the creation of neurotransmitters. Brain-supportive whole grains include oats, brown rice, quinoa, barley, and whole wheat products. The Mind diet recommends 3 servings per day. Vitamin D is another critical nutrient for brain function and neurological health. It can be obtained through sun exposure, diet, and supplements. Food sources include fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified beverages. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to an increased risk of cognitive disorders, including Alzheimer's disease. Together, these dietary guidelines underscore a growing consensus: what you eat can have a profound impact on your brain health, influencing cognitive performance and reducing the risk of age-related decline. The science is clear: your brain is shaped by your daily choices. Whether it's moving your body, connecting with others, or eating the right foods, every small step adds up. Start today. Your future self will thank you.
If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, and smash that like button to support us. Thanks for watching.